Oh, whoa!
What's going on? They decided to give us a light show in the middle of that's gotta mean the water's getting deeper, right?
Whoa, there it is! Offshore, folks. These waves keep stacking up. Yeah, just offshore. We're about to have onshore flow. Big time waves coming in here. Big storm surge, like threatening. Power flashes out to the north.
Yes. You hear it?
I sure can.
Wow.